First, everyone in this room should understand that this bill would eliminate existing consumer protections enforced not only in Illinois but states around the country. If you live in Alaska, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, and District of Columbia, Georgia, Guam, Hawaii, Idaho, Kansas, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Puerto Rico, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Vermont, and Virgin Islands, Washington, or Wyoming. This bill would prevent you from being notified about breaches for which your state currently requires notification. If you live in Arkansas, California, Florida, Missouri, North Dakota, Puerto Rico, Texas, Nebraska, North Carolina, or Wisconsin, the types of personal information that must be protected are weaker in this bill than in your states. Even state consumer protection statutes that allow attorneys general to prosecute failure to protect consumer data would be undermined by this bill. At the federal level, safeguards enforced by the FCC would be lost in the move to the FTC. Those include requirements to secure data regarding viewing habits, phone records, and partial Social Security numbers. The bill sets weak data security standards that don't cover information like location information or metadata. It also prevents the FTC from amending data security requirements as technology and threats evolve. The limited protections in this bill would be inadequate from the moment it is enacted, and there is no hope to strengthen those standards through the rulemaking process. Finally, the harm trigger in this bill limits notification requirements to likely financial harm. If there is a threat of physical violence or other serious harms, there is no need to notify consumers. It also requires the same companies that fail to protect personal information to determine whether there is a risk of financial harm before notifying consumers, a process that could take months.